everyone, and welcome to day 11 of the 12 days of Christmas that I am doing. Now, I am also doing this with another YouTuber creator, and her channel is Craft with Tea, which is in the description box below. She's doing 25 days, but I'm doing 12. So, anyway, today what I'm going to do is just do a project share with you. Um, Tomorrow I'll do another video, a tutorial, but today is just a project share with you. And you'll know the reason why I did a project share instead of tutorial here in a minute. So what I did is I wanted to make some snowflakes with beads. And I was so inspired to make them that, I went to Pinterest and YouTube and different places and got some ideas and how-tos and things like that. Now, while the directions really, really are good, I just had trouble with my hands to manipulate because I have arthritis in both hands, so wasn't easy to do. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did anyway, because I still think they'll be okay. Not perfect, but okay. So the very first one that I did is this one right here. Now, this one is made with 3 pieces of wire that crisscross. And what you do is that you put on 2 wires and then wrap that once or twice. And then you add your third wire. They're all intersecting in the center as close as possible. Add your third wire and wrap around each of the what you can call branches, I guess, the spokes. Anyway, so you do that, and I'll put some links below so that you can get your idea of how to do it too. Anyway, it's not perfect, but it came out pretty good for the first one, I thought. And this one is my husband's favorite. So I just did that, and I added some rhinestones on either side to give it more of that finished look in the middle. And I got a hook on it. So there's that one. Now, the second one that I did, let's see if I can find it. The second one that I did was this one right here. Now, I like this one. I like the blue in it, just a touch of blue with mostly crystals and the white in it. And it was made the same way, wires crisscross and, like intersecting the spokes and, making sure that you center it as much as possible, blah, blah, blah. Same thing, okay? Um, Not perfect again, but it came out better than I thought it would. And because this is oh my goodness, I think it's a 20 gauge wire, if I remember right. It's a 20 gauge wire, and the spokes were wrapped with 26 gauge wire. And of course, it's going to be looser because it's a just a wire. It's not a heavy pin. But anyway, that's what I did with that, and it's the same thing. And this one came out better. I got it better as I went along, I think. But it's still not easy. So again, I went and tried again. And this is my third one, and I thought, I don't, it's pretty good too, but I'm still having trouble getting them together. And while they came out okay, I just felt like I just couldn't manipulate very well. So I went to another direction. Now this one I'm showing you next is the sixth one I did. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth one that I did. I want to wait to show you the fourth one here after I show you this one. This one is made out of some head pins that I crisscrossed and wired them together, and then of course I put did a loop at each of the ends. These are just made out of head pins, you know, and so this is a small one, and I thought that this one came out pretty good. It's all shiny, and you know me, if you watch my channel, you know I love bling. And so this is just a small snowflake. So that one was pretty fun to do. Now, I came and I thought, okay, maybe there's still another way to do these snowflakes that's easier. So I went to this one. And I really like the color of this one, the pink. And I wish it showed a better pink color in there, but it's at night, so the lighting's different. But this one, what I did is I took one of these rhinestones that's in the middle, and I saw someone, two or three people who did it with a button or something in the middle, and they took and they beaded the eye pins, and they then glued each of the ends on to the rhinestone. Now you start out with the eye pin, you're going to thread here where the nicer part is, where it's already, it's got the eye. And then at the end, then you got to leave enough room to where you can do another loop at the end of your pin. So that way it can be glued onto the rhinestone or button or whatever you have. And then you just simply glue them all together, one. And what I did, one, and I did like that so it could be pretty even. Now, this one seems pretty sturdy except for one piece that I really, I need to work on. But it's workable, and it's bigger. I like the big size of it because I think that'd be really pretty on a 6-foot tree. And so anyway, this one's my favorite. Now this is my husband's favorite. This one's my favorite. And then I have these others. And then I want you just to take a look at them, and in the comments below, just say, well, which one is your favorite? Just tell me which one you like. Maybe I can perfect it sometime and show you how to make a tutorial on it. Who knows? Anyway, thank you for watching day 11. Tomorrow's my last day, day 12. So be sure you check in tomorrow, tomorrow at 8 o'clock Central Standard Time. Check out the description box below for Craft with Teas, 25 Days of Christmas. And thank you for watching. Many blessings. Have a great day. Bye for now.